need to harvest lemon. So we have lemons here. Oh, look at these lemons. Look at these lemons. They are very pretty. I think the other side is more like ripe. Let's check. Yeah, these ones are ready. Like this. It's already like soft. So I probably need 2 lemons. I have more inside the house if I need more from the harvest the other day. So there are more there. And then the calamansi. Look at this, like kumquats. I think we need to eat the kumquats. They are like super ready. Like later I'm going to harvest for like our snacks. Then for now I'm going to get calamansi. I'm going to harvest the ones that are like ripe over there. And then here too. Lemon and calamansi. Husband went to a Russian Armenian market to get some kabob. So we are going to barbecue today. It's actually like windy. So he got chicken thighs, beef liver, ikbir or like pork kebab. This is my favorite, ikbir. So I like ikbir. And then this one is like filet mignon kebab. So we have filet mignon kebab, ikbir, beef, and then chicken. And that's what we're having for lunch today. And also I think we got some vegetables too. I also got this, the eggplant caviar. And then just like cauliflower and some vegetables. So we got cucumbers because it's not cucumber season, so we don't have them in the garden. So we're going to have a shirazi salad. And then what else did we get? Oh, like lavash. So lavash is where we are going to put our kebab. And he got some like chocolates too. So this chocolate, and then this like chocolate. I think they are French chocolates. Yeah, French chocolates. And this for later, for dessert. But for now, I need to prepare the shirazi salad. So shirazi is cucumbers and tomatoes and cilantro. The kebab. So we have ikbir, the pork. The middle one is filet mignon. And then this one on the right is chicken. So these are what we are going to grill for lunch today. And then I'm going to get the vegetables. And then bell pepper and tomatoes. We are grilling. The first one is chicken. The next one is ikbir. Oops.
Last to go on the grill is the filet mignon kebab.
And then the bell pepper in between, right? We can just like remove them when they are ready. Yummy. This is winter barbecuing. This one and this last one. Barbecuing on a super windy day. Look at the leaves. Challenging on a winter day. I'm going to cook 3 cups, and then with basmati we use usually with like jasmine it's like 1:1, 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water, but for basmati you put more water, so 3 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, something like that, the ratio. And then I'll add saffron. So I'm using this saffron on top. Saffron smells so good. And then cook. Going to prepare the shirazi salad. So like cucumber and tomato salad. So just like slicing and dicing. And then I'm going to use lemon or lime too. You can use lime too. This is perfect on the kebab. This is more of like a summer dish, but we miss eating it, so we're having barbecue today for lunch. And I am preparing the shirazi salad with these Persian cucumbers. Persian cucumbers are smaller than the regular cucumbers. We grow them during summertime, but right now it's winter and they are like sun-loving vegetables, so we don't have them in the garden right now. This is a very easy, simple salad to pull off, and it tastes like really delicious with barbecue meat. So I'm done with the cucumbers. Next are the tomatoes. Next, the lemon. So this lemon in the garden. It's a good idea to grow lemon if you can in your backyard because they're very prolific and they're quite expensive at the grocery stores. I can't remember how much they cost now, but before when we used to buy them, before we planted lemon trees, they were like 79 cents each. So saving a lot of money growing your own like trees, because with trees you only plant them once and then they will give you tons of fruits for a very long time. Salt. And then freshly cracked peppercorns. And then marinate this on the fridge for about like an hour or until the barbecue is ready. Now I'm adding some cilantro, and I'll add more cilantro later. And then I added like chopped red onion. And then green onion later. Green onions for the shirazi. So I'm just adding this green onion from the garden on our shirazi. Green onion is very refreshing. This is lavash. I'm going to use this as like a base for the kebab. Here is the saffron rice. And lunch is ready. So we have the grilled bell peppers and tomatoes. We have saffron rice. We have the kebab chicken, filet mignon and ikbir. We have eggplant caviar. We have shirazi. And then we have Joshua is having calamansi juice. We're having this red wine from Margaux from Château Kirwan. So this one. Cheers and let's eat. Hi Josh, what are you eating?
I am eating another lavashless sandwich. Bon appetito. Mwah!
So good. I am harvesting some vegetables to put on my lunch. So I'm just recycling the leftover from our barbecue lunch last Saturday, and that's what I'm having for lunch today. So I'll probably harvest some of this kale with a beautiful like purple stalk. Under this calamansi tree, so probably like just a few stalks of this. Then I think I would like to eat, I think I want to eat tatsoi too, so I'll harvest some tatsoi too. And then the tatsoi. Here are the Russian kale. See, I just harvested the other day and then there are more growing. So if you harvest the lower portion, it will give the smaller leaves a chance to grow. Here's what I'm adding on my lunch today. So let's go back to the kitchen. Here are the veggies, and then that's a little tough, so I just need to cut this, and I don't need to cut the tatsoi. So here you go. Now I'm going to add this on the soup that I am making. Or not really soup, but more of stew. A little bit of in between soup and stew. Here's what I made. This is like I said earlier, this is recycled from our barbecue lunch the other day. So the bell peppers, the grilled bell peppers, and then tomatoes, and then the chicken kebab, I sliced them into really tiny pieces like that. And then the saffron rice I added into this one too, and then just chicken broth. So and I added scrambled eggs too, so I scrambled 2 eggs and added them into the mix. Now I'm adding the vegetables, the leafy greens. So this is not really soup, more of stew, but it has all the nutrients that we need. It has the carbohydrates from the rice, the protein from the eggs, and then the chicken, and then we have the vegetables, leafy greens, bell pepper, and tomatoes. And now back to work here in my home office with my nutritious leftover lunch. Let's eat. Vegetables are very easy to grow. You can grow them in raised beds on the ground, in containers, by the windowsill. As long as they get enough sunlight, they will thrive. And one of the advantages of having your own vegetable garden is that you have super fresh vegetables at your disposal anytime. And they're very easy to prepare too. You can just saute them in garlic. That's like my go-to recipe if I'm in in a hurry. And it will save you a lot of money, especially now that everything is getting more expensive.